How to clear cache on your laptop. Is your laptop starting to feel a little sluggish? Maybe it's taking longer to open programs, or just doesn't feel as snappy as it used to. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear cached files on your Windows laptop to help it run smoother and free up some space. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is head down to the bottom of your screen and click on the little Windows icon. It's usually right in the center or off to the left depending on your setup. This opens your Start menu. Now in the search bar, just start typing Disk Cleanup. You don't have to type the whole thing if it pops up quickly. Once you see Disk Cleanup show up in the list of results, go ahead and click on it to open it. As soon as Disk Cleanup launches, you'll be asked to choose a drive. Most of the time, you'll be cleaning the C drive, because that's where Windows and most of your temporary files live. So just make sure C: is selected and hit OK. Give it a second, and then another window will pop up. This is where it gets interesting. You'll see a list of file types that you can safely delete. This might include things like temporary internet files, downloaded program files, recycle bin, thumbnails, and more. Take a moment to read through the list, and then go ahead and put check marks next to all of the options. If you're unsure about any of them, a quick tip is to hover your mouse over each option. It'll give you a short description of what that file type is. But for most people, it's totally fine to check everything. Once you've selected everything you want to clear, don't click OK just yet. Instead, click the Clean Up System Files button down near the bottom of that window. This gives Disk Cleanup access to even more stuff that it can safely remove, like old Windows Update files and cached system data. When you click that, it'll ask you to choose your drive again. Just like before, pick the C drive and hit OK. Now this part might take a minute or two depending on how many files you've got piling up, so be patient. Why you might see the progress bar moving slowly, it's totally normal. When the scan finishes, you'll see that same list of files again, but this time it might include even more cleanup options. Go ahead and check all the boxes again just like before. When you're ready, click OK. You'll get a little pop-up asking, "Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files?" Go ahead and click Delete Files to confirm. And that's it. Disk Cleanup will go to work and start removing all that junk from your system. You might not see anything flashy happening, but in the background, your laptop is freeing up space and getting rid of unnecessary clutter. Once that's all done, there's one final step that people often forget: restart your laptop. Restarting helps apply any background changes and gives your system a chance to run fresh. You don't have to do anything fancy. Just hit the Start menu again, click on the power icon, and choose Restart. All right, and that's a wrap on this tutorial. Hopefully, this helped breathe a little new life into your laptop. And hey, if this video helped you out even a little, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want more helpful how-to videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.